Many sand suppliers found running business without proper permit. Serlongchor TGC organized its first annual Sport Meet Cum Education Awareness Program at Telehor LP School Playground. Ajit Inglang and Nobin Rongpi voluntarily presented notebook and pens to HSLC candidates Delhi on 18th of December. Good morning viewers, you are watching KAL English Live English Prime Time. KAL English is rich with its natural resources, but due to the non-conservative mindset of some people, the natural resources are exploited beyond the limits. Consequently, the rich natural resources, which was supposed to be there, seems to be slowly degrading. Likewise, sand suppliers along the bank of Disama Jamuna River falling under Central Range East Divisions and West Divisions were found to be operating their business unceasingly without proper permits. Recently, during a meeting conducted at Arboretum Cum Craft Centers, the Forest Department of KAL English Autonomous Council had unanimously decided to notify all the sand holders to pay their royalty for the protection of their intellectual property rights of their business establishment. But now it is happening utterly opposite to it. Moreover, permits for the extractions of sand using JCB machines were not granted so far. Yet, at this instance, JCB machines were being used for extraction of sands. Despite rigorous exploitation of sand carried out using heavy machinery, Forest Department remains silent into this matter. Therefore, concerned citizens questions the Forest Department of KAL English Autonomous Council for their non-interventions into this matter, or is it because Forest Department is also involved into it? Due to incessant exportations of sand via village roads, the roads are totally destroyed, keeping it impassable for the villagers. This consequently disturbs the lifestyle of the villagers during monsoon seasons, as the road is filled with potholes and mud. And also the dust during winter affected the children and senior citizens of the villages. News Desk report for KAL English Live. On 17th of December, first annual Sport Meets Cum Education Awareness Program was organized by Serlongchor TGC at Telehor LP School Playground. The first annual Sport Meets Cum Education Awareness Program was a joint initiative of hardworking teachers with a vision to uplift all the children studying at government school. Students from as many as 23rd government school participated at the event. The event was organized on 17th of December at Serlongchor Teacher Gathering Center STGC Playground. The program was chaired by Kandora Tokbi, President of STGC, Joseph Kathar, Secretary of STGC, Sarsing Phangcho, Chairman, JMB Mohan Rongphar, Chairman Hamret VDC, KSA, SMC and several dignitaries of the region attended the event. As of event, while delivering their speeches, shared their words of inspiration, motivation and encouragement with the children. Winners of various sports event competitions were also awarded amidst the education awareness program.
Bang bipon lo. Tha tenge lahang somaratum thektheji ma mate uneji ma pusitame alang litum nono bangke langnam nang pon private or somara sonsi kache patti aning ke hang dolo lasi nilitum theklong dak toy school le prize ke long gali haing long at to kan nu school atum an sitame pinana prize ke long pon lo la dak pen langnam nang pon te la ke isi chunji kwang thekse nilitum mathapon.
The chief guest of the event, Sarsing Phangcho, Chairman, JMB, while speaking to us, informed that it is applaudable to the collective effort of teachers in organizing the first annual Sport Meets Cum Education Awareness Program successfully. In order to uplift the children in the field of education, a constant motivation and encouragement is mandatory. Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for KAL English Live. Under the initiatives of KAL Students Association, Delhi Head Branch started free coaching classes for high school leaving certificate appearing candidates at the month of November. And at this instant, it had completed its first month of coaching. Likewise, on 18th of December, during early hours, Ajit Ingleng, employee of Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, Nobin Rongpi, secretary of KSA Bokajan Regional Committee, along with members of KSA Dilai Head Branch, made a visit to the coaching center and presented pens and notebooks to all the high school living certificate appearing candidates from their own contributions. Adding a note to it, the salary for the teachers of free coaching classes is sponsored by Harlongbi Ingleng social activists.
Adhak au somar dumbang ahem kavedat kachulong thekhe la puson dadu athe dak bisikoi ildum dilai hawar bangke ani om jinitini kichulong la puson kichulong le lason adu piglang la jalang le tumaphan mathasi la coaching karmade la kijo ben lokachari sek ke patok onje phan kopi la ben itum la dot pen cc alang li pen chingwai si ni litum bahini cherong siping la dak
Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.